Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cleaning your hands thoroughly and removing jewelry. This prevents contamination. Once done, sit over a sink with good light and a mirror and keep a sterile saline or lens solution within reach. Make sure to tilt your head forward and look up. This exposes the lens edge. Use your non-dominant hand to pull the lower eyelid down while steadying the upper lid with the middle finger of your dominant hand. Keep breathing and focus to avoid blinking. With the lens visible against the sclere, bring the pads of your thumb and index finger to the lens edge and pinch gently. Think of compressing a soft contact between two cushions. If the lens shifts, repeat the lower lid pull and recenter it on the white before pinching. If it folds, open it carefully and hydrate with solution to reform its shape. Use short, calm breaths and blink once between attempts to relax the eye and reposition the lens naturally. Once the lens is out, examine it for damage and either place it in a clean case with fresh solution or discard it if torn. If removal was difficult, rehydrate the eye with 1 to 2 drops of saline, wait 30 to 60 seconds to loosen the lens, and try the pinch technique again. If you experience severe pain, increasing redness, or cannot remove the lens after a few calm attempts, stop and contact an eye care professional immediately for hands-on assistance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.